Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Particle Physics Brick by Brick, where we're trying to explain as much about particle physics as we can through the medium of Lego. In this video we're going to be talking about the proton. Protons are particles which are made from quarks. These are fundamental particles which themselves cannot be broken apart into anything smaller. Now, in fact, the proton is made from two up quarks, which I've sat on top here, and one down quark below. The proton is therefore itself a composite particle because it is made of smaller things. Now, the quarks themselves have strong colour charge, but when they come together in a group of three like this to form a proton, then they form something which is colour neutral. The strong force binds all the quarks together, but once they are collectively together in a group of three, with each one of the primary colours of light, then they form something which is strong colour charge neutral, and so therefore they do not attract any other quarks towards them. Protons have a positive 1 electric charge, because the quarks themselves, actually as defined from the quark content of the proton, have the following fractional charges. Now, these are in units of the electronic charge, or the magnitude of the charge which is found on the electron. Up quarks have a positive 2/3 charge, while down quarks have a negative 1/3 charge. This means that if we add these together, plus 2/3 and minus 1/3, we get to the positive 1 of the proton. So the charges on the quarks are actually defined by the charge on the proton itself. Protons combine with neutrons to form the central nucleus of atoms. The name proton was coined in 1920 by New Zealand-British physicist Ernest Rutherford after a number of experiments which proved its existence. He took the name from the ancient Greek protos, meaning first, but he also gave a nod to the English chemist William Prout, who he himself predicted that each of the atoms on the periodic table were just combinations of the lightest hydrogen atom. He was so close, but of course it wasn't until the discovery of the nucleus that we realised that it was the nucleus that was being built up in multiples of the proton, which we now know is the only particle in the nucleus of the hydrogen atom. And so the word proton is simply a mixture of protos and on, where on is now used to denote the name of a particle. Thanks for listening. If you would like to know more, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on social media for more information. You could also buy the book. Particle Physics Brick by Brick is available through online retailers and many local bookstores. Other languages are also available. If you follow this bit.ly link, you can also get access to lots of educational resources and information on where you can get your hands on Lego to play along. Lego is a registered trademark of the Lego Group, which does not sponsor, authorise or endorse these videos in any way.